What up? And welcome to another home vlog. This is vlog 27 for the home section. And today I will be putting my PowerSmart 4400 watt inverted generator into long-term storage. Since I've now got my solar system fully set up and running, I won't be relying on this generator every day anymore. And I will definitely want to not use it as often as I normally did, because let me tell you something, this generator here was bought off Best Buy, and it has been the main source of the house power when we have any natural disaster. And I think the only time I actually maintained it was twice, since it was bought 2 years ago, and it is running right through. I'm telling you about this generator here, where you hardly hear the noise because it don't throttle very high like the conventional ones. But I said to myself, I'm not going to sell it, because let's just say we have a major power outage, we can rely upon the solar. But let's just say we have a major overcast, we can rely on the generator. So it's the best of both worlds. So what I'm basically doing is I'm basically cleaning out all the gas and all the oils that can contaminate after a long while, and I'm going to use that same gas to rinse the carburetor to make sure that everything is dry, sealed, and ready for storage. Me and Shania at it. One thing I've learned is that if you're planning to store your generator for several months, you should never leave fuel sitting inside the tank or the carburetor, because the gasoline can go stale over time. It can create varnish deposit and clog the fuel injectors or the carbureted fuel flow, and the fuel system can get very difficult to even start sometimes. That's why today I'm draining all the remaining gas and the oil before putting it away. Fresh oil keep it protected internally and from corrosion and all them type of stuff there. But even though I have the solar set up, I handle my daily powers and needs, I still believe it is important to keep a reliable backup generator, because solar is amazing, but during extended periods of bad weather, maintenance, and unexpected emergency, having a well-maintained generator give it an extra layer of security and a peace of mind. So me just decide to I want to keep both of them, the best of both worlds. I have both sun and gasoline powered electricity generators, so we don't have to worry ourselves really. So I clean it up. Nothing wrong with it, Nothing wrong with it. This is basically brand new, brand new CMA, because they only use a couple times. As I can see, Shania take her time, I help out, and she always there. I help. Shania stay ready. She not gonna left my side when time she see me I do something. She always help. So I teach her how to drain the carburetor and how to clean it. As my little daughter, I have to show her them little things. That's why I picking them go rough. Because I give them some time to get them hands dirty. So I show her how to pull the spark plug and how to maintain the generator. She's a quick learner, very, very quick learner. That's why I always involve her in every little thing. But wait until Safia grow up, she next. Draining the oil, as you can see right here, get everything ready for long-term storage. I'm moving on to removing the exhaust. I just put back the gas tank because I had to pull it right out. So I'm going to put it back together. As you can see, I'm screwing back the lead and the feed back at the same time. I'm going to bolt them on right now. It's quite easy, you just want to get rid of the gas and the oil, and then if you want, you can put back fresh oil in it. And this is where I pack up, because it was not a long process, so I get rid of certain things and get back inside, because must get that time now, must get that time. Thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and please share with your people and your friends, because you guys keep us moving. Travel to leave is with there.